got the black girl booty, bubble like the brewery. Love is.
Yeah, viewers and subscribers, you don't know, 17 there with a quick update. So you know the whole thing we go on with Sensi and Jada Kingdom. Sensi go up on stage and trouble Jada Kingdom, then Jada Kingdom come back and say something when it be lame. So she go home and go write a song now and drop it for Sensia.
Girl, I sell her mouth from QQ, I sing better must come. And I know me can't see her where the bitch I run down. Anybody can fuck it and them not fi have no funds. She friendly and dumb, she will do it for the fun. Hey, little Miss Chin, I forget the bang. Ding dang coulda send both of those.
So Vany comes up boom now and drop a video on her Instagram stating how she feel about all like clash and everything. But before I play the clip, please like and consider subscribing and comment on the feel.
Everybody up on the media. Jada, I say, young, I say, this I don't say no blood clot, young Dan King and no dining kingdom. One kingdom, you know, and I got up I ever have him kingdom. I wait for take down the whole on the cross is bumbo one. It's time for me to help Instagram. You know, face, I'm lie down, you know, I'm sleep on Instagram, wait, and I say, big things are going on. When me look, must be an argument. Me telling you know, we don't need them. Stop me up on Instagram. Take your argument to some first and then I sting up on stage show. Instagram is for business and right now, we don't stop my flow from me to get my blood clot promotion money because everybody are busy at talk about Young and Kingdom. Listen to me. Me, I go help Instagram at this moment. Vendetta, me say, fully blood clot Sparta. What kind of fucking young and I go and help Instagram and get to work, Vany. And the second thing I say is Sparta. Wanna bomb clat to that about Gaza for? That's about Gaza for. That's about unruly for. If me come so, I'm come so, I'm come so, I'm come so. I'm so. It no matter what sign I use, it no matter when me use. Me know what me say, and me know who me know when me I use. So now watch my finger if me put.
Yo, you got the black girl booty, bubble like the brewery.